What are your ideas or concerns about how this will impact the amount of traffic that it will generate within the urban environment? And what do you think needs to be done there?
Well, the sky is going to be filled with these things, but it's not the sky; it's kind of the low sky. And the reason this can work is if you look at autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles have a really difficult time because there's a legacy infrastructure, and that legacy infrastructure, there are other cars that are not computerized. Basically, they don't have the technology. There are playgrounds, there are people riding bicycles, there are children playing. There are all kinds of legacy obstacles for a self-driving car. In the air, there's no legacy. It's all wide open road essentially, and that road has to be mapped by the air traffic control system. Ultimately, what I see beyond AI is quantum computing. Quantum computing is the only technology that can handle an infinite number of variables. And what's going to happen over a long period of time, I mean, this is not in a year or two, it's down the road, is it can manage basically all of the aerial vehicles simultaneously with all of the variations in real time. And that's the only thing that can actually do that. And we're not at that stage that we don't need it yet. I mean, right now it'll be AI to start, and then it'll evolve into that. And companies like NVIDIA, IBM, AWS, I mean, they're all looking at quantum in a very, very big way. And again, this is another global phenomenon. That's why this is not a U.S. thing. It's one of the first things that's really it's starting globally. I mean, it's literally starting worldwide.
Quantum race is very real. Yeah, you're absolutely right. But before that really happens, I mean, we still have an opportunity to use artificial intelligence to manage this to a certain extent. What is your view in that scenario where you have all of this proliferation happening and people are coming from different schools of life or different applications of that? How it will happen in the next couple of years? How do you see that happening in in the adoption?
Yeah, AI in this space is a given. It's not even considered that we're going to move to AI. It's simply part of the development process.
Mhm.
It's almost like saying, should we have automated something in how we construct these things? And the answer,
Mhm.
of course, is absolutely, because humans can't, it's getting beyond what humans can do technologically. And that's where AI is going to come in. AI is going to be involved in all of this. And AI will be way ahead of quantum, just as is in the real world right now. And you're looking at everything from generative AI to you name it, automation of processes, projecting things, forecasting things. I mean, in real time while you're in the air,
Yes.
because that's really what's needed.